3, 2, 1, go!
Empieza la prueba élite femenina. Vamos a ver los primeros metros. Quién empieza poniéndose en cabeza, porque supongo que pasar la primera baliza bien también será importante.
Aquí vemos Karolin Ohlsson, la vencedora de hoy de distancia larga y también la vencedora de ayer de distancia media. Ella irá a ser la vencedora de estos dos recorridos. Carolina, how was your race today?
Yeah, I was really pleased with my orienting today. I'm a little bit disappointed of my technical performance on the middle, even if I won, so I was really happy with that. But I did some mistakes, so now I run almost all the race alone, and I was really I did like one mistake, but not big one. So I was really happy with that. And at the sprint, I forgot to punch one control, so I was super angry with myself. So I was happy to take it back today, and now I feel released.
So this is my second question because your race yesterday. So this is today was a little bit of a revenge. So we see here at the first arena passage, you ran very, very fast, and you put down all your competition.
Yeah, I was focusing. I like there was a lot of controls, but because it makes it easier to focus all the way. So I was really pleased with the orienting, and I have a bit of problems with my foot, so I had problems in the hard parts. I know when it's a lot of just road running, the others can come, so I try to push a bit in the beginning, and then I could take it easy in the hard parts, so it was good.
So you have a lot of fun today with a lot of controls here in the forest.
Yeah, I love this when it's really technical. It's my best part, so I think it was really fun. And I feel like I had better control today than at the middle. Took it easy in the green parts and focus on orienting, so it was really nice.
Okay, congratulations. I will hope to see you here in the podium of this world ranking event long distance.